insane returns, guys. 425% profit on Pixie. This trade provides us 425%. That's how you make money. I shared this trade in the private list 2 days ago. We bought this coin for 0.001 and you put a sell order up here at 0.0064. 425%. In order to find those pump, guys, I developed this software, and the software is focused on the volume spike plus buyer power. So I use API to collect those data straight from the exchange, so I know when the buyer power is. If I know what is the buyer power, I know the uptrend move. Okay, but let me show you something. This coin is under my watch list for almost a month. There was the volume spike right here. You see the big candle right here? Because the buyers start to control the market. But this big candle happened on February 21, a month ago. And I shared this trade in the private list so private list members could buy this coin. Guys, let me show you the coins I share in the private list on the last 3 days. Today is March 21, guys. Sakura, AlphaDEX, Pixie, Sakura, Aurigami. Okay, we focus on coin running in high volume. So in order to find those coins, guys, my software is tracking the market 24/7, like I mentioned before. 3,000 coins we are tracking right now. Pixie, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you see Pixie, the rank is 2680. That's how. Nobody talk about the coins we trade in this channel because I have the software to alert me when the coin is gonna pump. Guys, follow my Twitter account and keep yourself updated about Bitcoin price. I just tweeted about Bitcoin price. Bitcoin possible 10% crash pullback is very likely. Okay. It's free, guys. Pumpdumptime@gmail.com if you like to get those trades in real time. Also, if you don't like to trade, we can trade for you, and we can provide you 25% ROI, return of investment per week, guys. That's a lot of money to be made. I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Also, I will teach you a strategy as a swing trade, because what you do is this channel is a day trade, guys. I will provide you a swing trade strategy. You can use this strategy to trade crypto, and also you can use to trade stock market, guys. Next trade recap, it's Sakura, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on 19. We bought this coin for 0.009 and put a sell order up here, daily resistance 0.018. I made 7,500. Like I mentioned before, 615% profit on the last 3 days. I just made $61,000. I share all my trades in private list. Feel free to reach me out. pumpdumptime@gmail.com. By the way, guys, the software is not for sale. The software Pump and Dump is not for sale. Okay? Okay? Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.